Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to check screen time on Samsung phone. So if at the end of this you find this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. If you want to see all the application you've opened recently or how long you spent on open each of the applications, then you should be talking about the screen time. Now to check screen time on your Samsung phone, all you need to do is go ahead and open the settings application. On the settings, scroll down, locate and click on digital well-being and parental controls, and underneath it you should say screen time and app timer. Click on it. Then under digital well-being you should say the application you have used recently. In my own case today, I've spent time on 3 different applications: the MetaTrader 5, YouTube Studio, and Chrome. So if you click on each of them, you should be able to view them by day or by week. And you should also see most used app category in this section. You can also set screen time goal. So here you have access to your screen time application and how long you spent on each of the applications. And that's it. So that's exactly how to check screen time on Samsung. If you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.